In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a wavy line in Affinity. Now, there's actually no direct setting to do this, so we must go via a workaround, which I'm going to show you right now. It's a bit tricky, but still pretty easy. So the first thing you want to do is just draw a circle. I'm going to go ahead and select the ellipse tool, and I'm going to draw a circle on here like that. It's a bit too thick, so I'm just going to go ahead and actually make this border a bit smaller, okay, like that. And then the second thing you want to do is actually draw in a line. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to actually draw in a perfect straight line. If you don't know how to do this, just hold down your shift key and it's going to do the trick. So when you have this, make sure you do select the the size of your wavy curve you would like to have. So for example, if you want it to be like this over here, this arch, that's fine. If you want it to be a bit smaller, you can make it like this. It's up to you. When you've done that, go ahead and click Ctrl and A on your keyboard to select everything, right click it, go to geometry and click on divide. When you do this, it's going to divide these things into separate pieces, and this is now a separate piece. As you can see, it's kind of a curve. Then all you have to do is just delete this bottom part and you have now this curve. You can then press Ctrl and J on your keyboard or just basically duplicate it, which will make it like that. You want to go to up top here where it says flip, and you want to flip it vertical, and then you simply want to match it like that, and it's going to automatically hop into place. And you can just basically repeat this process over and over again, okay, and just basically make it as much as you want. So whenever you've made your line over here, I'm going to just make it a bit smaller so you can actually see what I mean by this. Let me actually create another one. There we go. Pop it in, okay? You then have to select all of these, and you want to go to your node tool here, and what you can do is click on join curves, and as you can see, this is now one long curve and basically one long wavy line. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.